What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera crashing issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the camera app and then tap on this information icon to open the camera settings, and here tap on force stop. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and after force stopping the camera app, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap on storage, and from here clear the cache memory and app data. So to do this, tap on clear data, and to clear the cache memory tap on clear cache. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and to clear the app data tap on clear all data and then tap on OK to confirm. So after doing this, it will help you to fix the camera crashing issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when it gets green you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, your camera crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue in any case, then the last solution is open settings, tap on about phone, and from here tap on update. If your phone software is not updated to the latest version, then update the software, and after updating the phone software, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera crashing issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.